Welcome to Arch17 Project Tool, your all-in-one online platform to create product selections for your project, export selection presentations, BOQ schedules, FF&E specification files, to share and collaborate seamlessly with your team, vendors, and customers. To get started, begin by adding your customer information. Once your client details are in place, you can create your first project. Enter the project name, assign a unique ID, and add other relevant information to get started. You can also assign multiple projects to different tags for easy organization and quick access. Now, head over to your project page. Start your project by adding sections. Define quantities for each section and include an introduction if needed. Now you can start adding products. When you click Add Products, you'll see several options: reuse previously uploaded items, add products from the Arch17 search page, import via an Arch17 link, or create a product from scratch. When adding products from the Arch17 search, you can search by product or brand. After selecting an item, the product options will open, allowing you to choose the desired specifications. The system will automatically populate all product details, and you'll only need to assign a unique project code. After adding all your project sections and products, everything is automatically organized for you. You can view products grouped by sections, or browse all unique products with their total quantities and the sections they are used in. In the project collection, you can explore complete product details in one place. To add product finishes, you have two options. While adding or editing a product, you can either select from previously added finishes or create a new one. Alternatively, you can go to the Collection tab, then Finishes, where you can view all unique finishes used in the project, edit existing ones, or add new finishes. You can also assign finishes to multiple products at once. Any changes or additions will be instantly reflected across the product's BOQ and FF&E. To edit a product, you can choose to update it globally across the entire project or modify it within a specific section only. If you edit it at the section level, you'll need to assign a new unique code to the updated product. If you want to copy product details such as specifications, category, size, technical data, or other information, simply select the fields you need and apply them to one or multiple products at once. To copy a product into different sections, go to Quantity, where you can see all rooms and assign the product quantity to the rooms where it will be used. You can add a room layout by going to Room Info and uploading the layout. This lets you export a selection presentation for each room, with the layout and products shown together on one page. The Rearrange function allows you to organize products within a section, or rearrange sections, or reorder them across the entire project by product or collection. Any changes will be reflected instantly online and in all exported files, including BOQ, FF&E, and collection PDFs and Excel sheets. The export and download settings allow you to control which products appear in your files. You can choose to include products across all downloads or limit them to specific files. You can export various file types, including collection presentations with layout, FF&E, and product BOQs by section or product in PDF or Excel. You can share and collaborate with others by going to Share, then adding people or creating a link with view or edit access. If you create a company page, all company projects is shared directly with your team. Go now to arch17.com to create your first project.